hate hangers.
Hangers are so hard to use and inaccessible. Why not just fold your clothes, Julia? Why not just fold?
So today we're gonna start with a t-shirt. Go Hawks. You're gonna start by putting the t-shirt upside down in front of you. Then you're going to fold the sides in to about the collar and even it out on both sides. And then fold the sleeve so that it almost touches the edge of your fold. And then you're going to do the same thing with the other side. And then our next step is we just simply fold the t-shirt back. And if you're putting it in a drawer, you can stop here. But what I like to do, because I like to make my clothes as small as possible so that I have the most space that I can have, I flip the shirt over one more time, and I take it and I fold it into threes. There we go. Now we're going to try a long sleeve t-shirt. This is a little bit harder because, well, there's more shirt. But you're gonna start basically the same way with the shirt upside down facing you. And then you're going to do the same thing with the sleeves. You're gonna fold in to the collar. And you're going to take the rest of the sleeve and fold it down like this. And then do the same thing with the other side. And now, similarly to the short sleeve shirt, we're going to fold it up. And as I said, you can stop here or you can flip it over and fold it 3 times again. Now we're going to move on to pants, or more specifically, jeans. Similarly to the t-shirts, you're going to put the jeans upside down facing you. But this time, you're just going to start by folding the jeans in half. Then you're going to find your button, and you're going to fold the jeans in half again. And now you can either stop here, or you can flip it over and fold it in 3 again. And finally, we have shorts. In shorts, you're going to fold pretty similarly to jeans. You're going to fold them in half, but since shorts are already pretty small, then you're just going to fold it into 3s right away. And there you go. When you finish using the KonMari method, all of your t-shirts and jeans and shorts should be able to stand up on their own, thus giving you more closet space and causing joy.